let's check out the souvenirs that I picked up when I was at Disney World. So, first, let's start off with some of the more boring items. Of course, we got this bag, but what's inside this bag is a little bit more exciting. You got a Coca-Cola Star Wars bottle, so that's pretty cool right there. And we got the Sprite Star Wars bottle, so those are both cool additions to the collection. And now we got the big item for this unboxing video. Custom astromech unit. So let's unbox it. I don't want to spoil the surprise of what it looks like though. So let's crack this box open. And I did get some attachments, so we will unbox those first. So let's move this off to the side. So I did get some blasters for my astromech unit. And I did get a toolkit for my astromech unit. So there's a couple accessories right there. And I also got a personality chip. Now there's a lot you can pick out from. And this is going to be one of your smugglers or scoundrel chips. And I believe it is it makes R2 sounds, but it gives you a little bit more of an advanced R2-D2 soundtrack. Now, it would be pretty boring if I did just build R2-D2, because you're supposed to make your own custom droid. But how are you gonna drive the droid? Well, for that, you gotta have your remote control. So I'll put that one right there. And last but not least, here is the droid, R247. That's what I'm going to call him. And this is really my big haul from Galaxy's Edge. It is a decently big haul, after all. But the droid, that's going to be a nice piece in my collection. And it's customized to how I like it. So that's good. Although the part selection there was a little limited, I would have maybe made a few changes if they had some different parts. And I will be doing a review on R247 in a little bit, maybe not this week, maybe next week. We'll see how the video schedule goes. But as always, that's really all I have for you guys today. So if you liked today's video and you want to see more amazing Star Wars content like this, please do remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we will talk again soon.